So somewhere around 45, every menu in Dallas got dimmer all of a sudden. Your arms just aren't long enough anymore, and it's harder to read even the font that you didn't struggle with before. So if you're holding your phone at full extension right now, this video is for you. So custom lens replacement, or also known as Refractive Lens Exchange, or RLE, that's what serious surgeons offer when LASIK starts being not the best option anymore. It's also the procedure that has the most confusion around it, the biggest price tag, but also the biggest payoff. So let's take it apart honestly. How much it costs and what can go wrong. By the time this video is over, you will know if this procedure is right for you. And I'm also going to tell you about the one patient that I was the most scared about. Custom lens replacement, or CLR, also known as Refractive Lens Exchange, or RLE, is a procedure that we do to help people get out of glasses for driving and for reading. It's the exact same procedure as cataract surgery, but it's done way before you ever develop a cataract so that you never develop one in the future. And it's done for a different goal. The goal being freedom from glasses at all ranges. The surgery itself takes about 20 minutes, and what we do in the entire process is make small openings in the cornea, and we remove the lens that's not zooming in and working as well as it used to, and then we put a new lens implant that's going to last for the rest of your life, give you permanent vision in the same spot. And then 24 hours later, you're driving. You're able to go to the restaurant, look at the menu, and not have to fuss with readers. LASIK is not a good option for this condition because that's not where the problem is. LASIK is done on the cornea. Cornea is just a clear window of the eye. You can wash the window all you want, but the problem is in the projector. So we have to remove the actual problem, which is the lens that's not working as well as it used to. There are some who may offer LASIK for this condition, but that may buy you 5 mediocre years, whereas refractive lens exchange can buy you a good 30 or 40 years. One of the most important decisions with this procedure is the type of lens implant that we're going to put in the eye. There are some that give you full range of vision. They're called full range of vision lens implants. There are some that only correct your astigmatism, and that's called a toric lens implant. And there are some that don't correct anything, and that's called a basic lens implant. There is also something called a light adjustable lens implant, which is a lens implant that allows you to fine-tune your vision after all the healing is done. It's the only lens implant in the world that can do that. And the way you make the decision in terms of which lens implant to go for is you think about your lifestyle. So how much nighttime driving do you do? And how do you like to spend your time? What are your hobbies? Someone who likes to play golf and values really good distance vision is going to use a completely different lens implant than someone who values both distance vision and the ability to read a book or work on fine jewelry, fine woodworking, painting, anything like that without your glasses or contacts. So when this procedure is done, you're able to drive within 24 hours. There's a process called neuroadaptation, which takes about 2 to sometimes 6 or more weeks, where your brain is getting used to this new way of seeing. We essentially change the way you see overnight. So it takes your brain some time to adapt, which is totally normal, and most people have no problems with it. One of the things that most people are surprised about with this procedure is that you cannot develop cataracts after this procedure is done. It's medically impossible, because what we're removing in this procedure is the lens that isn't working as well anymore, and the same lens gets cloudy in the future, and that's called a cataract. So because we're doing this procedure way before you ever develop a cataract, there's no way you can develop a cataract in the future, which is one of the many benefits of a procedure like this. So in terms of cost, you kind of have to do the math. It's one surgery now versus the hassle of readers and cataract surgery down the line anyway. This becomes a decision that is totally in your control and not controlled by what insurance will pay for versus not. So on one side, you have 30 years of prescription glasses, contacts, the risk of developing contact lens related infections of the eye, and on the other hand, you have a one-time procedure that gets you out of your glasses and contacts permanently and never gives you a cataract in the future. And you have to weigh the benefits of each before you decide which makes the most sense for you. For most patients, a custom lens replacement makes the most sense because it offers the best quality of life much earlier than waiting until your 70s to have cataract surgery. To make this more affordable, because it is an investment, we offer financing for 24 months with 0% interest. Now, I love this procedure. I like to talk about it a lot, but every procedure, including eye surgery, comes with its own set of risks. The number one risk would be infection. We placed you on antibiotics before surgery, after surgery, and during the surgery as well. We place antibiotics in the eye at the time of the procedure. We also give you antibiotics before the procedure as well as after the procedure. So if you follow instructions properly, there's almost no chance of developing an infection. The second risk with this is a few halos that you may see for a few weeks to a few months after the procedure. Eventually your brain adapts to it. It's called neuroadaptation. And if you're very heavily nearsighted, let's say you're a -6 or -8 or -10, then we have to really make sure that you'd be a good candidate for this procedure because it can put you at a risk for retinal tears or retinal detachments. All of the risks I just mentioned, several of them are much less than 1% chance. This is not a procedure that you would offer to everyone. For example, if you're a 35 or 40-year-old and you're a -10, we would definitely want to wait until the jelly in the back of your eye is much more liquid and it's safe to do the procedure so that we don't risk a retinal tear or a retinal detachment. If you're a 65-year-old +2 or a -2, it's probably a really good idea to go ahead and get this procedure done because you're probably on the verge of developing a cataract if you don't already have one. One patient I was particularly scared for is my own father. I did his custom lens replacement several months ago now, and I have pretty steady hands, but my hands were definitely shaking when I was working on him. He had an incredible outcome. We did both of his eyes at the exact same time, and he is seeing better than 20/20. He's seeing better than he says he saw when he was much younger. So this is a procedure that can absolutely change the quality of your life when it comes to your vision. And whenever I'm recommending this procedure to someone or I'm operating on someone's eye, I always remember that time that I operated on my own dad, because the person in front of me is someone's dad and someone's brother, someone's relative. So if readers are running your life or ruining your life, then you should seriously think about a refractive lens exchange or a custom lens replacement. We offer a free consult. It takes 90 minutes because we do extensive testing. And at the very least, you'll leave knowing more about your eyes than you've ever had. Click the link in the description and schedule your free consultation at Visionary Eye.